You know that feeling na parang ubos ka na, pero the world expects you to keep going. Sino bang di nakaka-feel niyan? Kaya one weekend, we did a simple staycation. I was looking for a pet-friendly hotel since we have a fur baby na kailangan kasama namin lagi. And I found one in Makati. So we stayed at Coro Hotel for 3 days. It's in Poblacion, so buhay na buhay yung scene, pero safe naman with your family, even families with kids. Medyo challenging lang yung parking kasi limited yung sa hotel, pero may available naman nearby. I think we paid 200 to 300 yata a night dun sa parking sa tabi ng hotel. Yung kinuha ko is Legato Superior Twin Room. Mga 4 adults yata yung maximum dito. Yung with breakfast na yung kinuha ko, so no stress na kapag umaga, bangon na lang tapos puntang buffet, kain na lang doon. And yes, it's pet friendly. Finally, a place where I don't have to choose between rest and our fur baby. Tapos, unlike other hotels na 10K plus yung deposit, if may pets ka nakasama, meron silang deposit lang of 4K upon check-in there. I think depende yon sa days na magsistay ka. So, I think 2,000 a night. Tapos, refundable naman siya after checkout. Siyempre, dapat complete yung pet requirements lang, no? Like the vaccination card, tapos naka-diaper lagi, and leash, at no ticks and fleas yung pets natin. So, ayun. Sorry, wala na akong aesthetic intro sa room pagpasok. So, quick tour na lang for the inside plus the amenities included sa hotel booking. And here it is. Ito yung restroom sa room na napili namin. As you can see, complete amenities naman. May toiletry kit, tapos the towels, shower din siya. Clean, very clean. With with shampoo, conditioner, tapos with rain shower din. Hot and cold shower working. So, maganda naman. And inside the room, kung kayo yung tipo na nag-a-unpack from the suitcase, they have cabinets here. May safe din for valuables, tapos ranchahan, shoe rack, tapos place where you can put your luggage. They have microwave, tapos mini ref also, tapos yung bottled water, they replenish every time na nag-clean naman sila ng room. Tapos here's the reception area. It's spacious din. And then, ito yung mini cafe nila. I think hanggang 10 p.m. to, or 24 hours. Tapos, their souvenir section or souvenir shop. Yung whole lobby and extension. Tapos, may play area din for kids. This is the view ng second floor, from the second floor. And of course, ito yung pool area and then the bar. And dun din, same floor, they have 24-hour spa. Tapos, meron ding gym. Next floor up yata to, if I remember it correctly. Tapos, ito naman yung food that we ate sa Coro. Yung room service nila is free. So, nag-order lang kami ng first night namin. And surprisingly, we enjoyed it kasi masarap talaga and big serving siya. Yung price range, nasa 200 and up. Tapos, yun na, mornings namin, nasa buffet. Simple selection lang sila actually ng mix of Filipino and international cuisine. may rice and ulam options, tapos may salad, fruits, cereals, and bread selections din available. Then on our last night, we went to Filling Station. It's one of the restaurants surrounding Poblacion. Food is okay. Nasa 400 and up siya. Yun yung price niya, mataas. Ambience though yung top notch dyan kasi unique talaga with the memorabilias from the first floor going up. Tapos ang daming sections for Instagrammable moments. Yon, medyo na-enjoy namin yung telephone booth, tapos yung mga Beatles memorabilia. Yan, yun yung mga pinagpipicturean namin dyan. It's really nice to find ways to refill your cup once in a while. Do something that makes you feel grounded, recharged, or just okay. You know, not to escape but to reconnect with yourself kahit sandali lang. Kasi as moms and career women, we're always giving. But sabi nga, diba, you can't pour from an empty cup kasi everything feels heavier if we continue to pour from, empty cups. Pagod ka, tapos irritable, parang wala kang patience or joy, yun yung mga mafe-feel mo if ever. So, filling your cup is not selfish. It's a way to survive life on the daily beautifully. Your cup is different from others. So, for some, it's solo time. For others, kulitan with the kids. It doesn't have to be aesthetic or expensive. What matters is it's yours. And you feel more you after doing it. It can be waking up 15 minutes earlier, tapos kape ka alone before the chaos of the day. Walk the dog without rushing. Spending 50 pesos for a face mask, not rushing cleaning the restroom, saying yes to going out only if you feel like it and it's not gonna drain you. Yung mga, say for example, family events, ganyan, na you feel na would just exhaust you. Part of filling your cup is saying no to those events. Gawa ka na lang sarili mong event, ganyan. Kasi diba, parang nowadays, na-realize ko na ang cup fillers ko ay slow mornings talaga. Reading, bathing our dog, doing my daughter's hair, tapos being out with my family to explore. Yun yung mga nakakapag-recharge sa akin. If you're a mom or just someone who's been running on low, I hope this video finds you one way or another, and it reminds you that it's okay to slow down because you deserve it. We all do. And that's it for my first episode. Don't forget to subscribe to join the Chika next time, and let me know in the comments what fills your cup lately.